Alright, this is them trying to get the car up here so that they can work on it and finish putting the roll cage in. We're not sure how well this is going to work out.
I used to drive me a piece of crap SUV with a window.
You see, there's Brian and there's Matt.
I'd roll through town just thinking there's more to life.
Here comes Blake.
The Forerunner, bought a brand new rig, lifted up high and sitting up big. But a strange thing happened.
And as I tried to
when I
explain,
went for a drive,
it wouldn't work.
my ego started to grow and it got me high. And now I'm rolling through town.
So the main question was the truck in four-wheel drive? And it looks like Matt didn't have it in four-wheel drive.
If you ain't noticed, I'm bigger than you. Never use turn signals, cause everyone knows there's something this big is fixing to go. Hell, it's downright awesome. I feel like $1 million in my big old truck. I probably dropped a couple grand on four-wheel parts so I can take my baby out and let her look at the stars. And my game ain't never been better than it is right now. I look down on the rooftops next to me, scaring all the little smart cars out of the street. And I let that diesel purr, she likes to get really loud. And now I'm rolling through town just like a boss, with a country up loud, feeling like a hoss. Cause I'm coming through, your ass needs to move. If you ain't noticed, I'm bigger than you. Never use turn signals, cause everyone knows when something this big is fixing to go. Hell, it's downright awesome. I feel like